Floods rise. Deserts spread. Human designs fail. So we asked a different mind to imagine home. What if the next architect isn't human? It watches, learns, adjusts, walls shift, light softens, air changes. A home that knows you before you know yourself. Not just a house, not just a city, an intelligence shaping oceans, skies, and stone. One AI, designing the survival of humanity. The catalyst. The mid-21st century hits a breaking point. Coastal cities are sinking, deserts are expanding, and billions need housing that doesn't further cripple the planet. Traditional architecture, bound by human speed and old supply chains, is seen as part of the problem. The urgent question arises: can we design our way out of this? The call goes out for a tool that can think bigger, faster, and in more dimensions than any human mind. The birth of Project Genesis. Answering the call, an unlikely alliance, the UN, leading tech giants, and a guild of visionary architects, forms Project Genesis. Their goal? To create not just a design tool, but a co-creative partner. They pour resources into developing Aura, Architectural Unified Responsive AI. An AI with a singular purpose: to reimagine human habitation from first principles. Data ingestion. Aura's education begins. Its neural networks ingest petabytes of data. The floor plans of the Taj Mahal in falling water, stress tests of steel beams, the chemical properties of mycelium, migratory patterns of birds, ancient feng shui texts, traffic flow datasets, and every poem ever written about home. It doesn't just learn what we built, but why we built it and the consequences. First iterations, mimicry. The first results are beautiful, yet unsettling. Aura produces a perfect Frank Lloyd Wright prairie home. Then a flawless bamboo structure inspired by Balinese temples. It's a master forger. The human architects on the team grow anxious. Has it only learned to rearrange the past? The breakthrough requires a leap beyond human precedent. The biomimicry breakthrough. A biologist on the team suggests a new training regimen. Teach it evolution. They feed Aura the genomic blueprints of nature. Suddenly its designs transform. It proposes a house with a xylem and phloem system for passive water circulation, walls with a keratin-like coating that sheds heat, and a support structure modeled on trabecular bone, incredibly strong yet lightweight. Architecture stops looking like construction and starts looking like cultivation. Hyper-personalization. Aura moves from generic to intimate. Connected to anonymized biometric data, it designs a bedroom for an insomniac that gradually lowers its ceiling and emits specific terahertz waves to encourage deep sleep. It creates a kitchen for a chef with arthritis, where countertops rise and fall and tools are presented by gentle robotic arms. The home becomes a prosthetic for life itself. The dynamic blueprint. The static PDF blueprint dies. Aura generates a living architectural seed. A young couple's starter home is designed to physically grow with their family. New rooms softly budding from core nodes, walls reconfiguring like tectonic plates. The home is a stage, and its inhabitants are the directors of its daily performance. Symbiotic materials science. Aura, understanding atomic structures and energy flows at a quantum level, starts designing its own materials. It pioneers photosynthcrete, a concrete that sequesters carbon and grows a photosynthetic moss layer for insulation. It creates a transparent aluminum alloy that flexes to diffuse hurricane-force winds. The building material becomes a participant in the home's function. The site whisperer phase. Construction prep changes utterly. Aura-controlled drones don't just map the land, they listen to it. They analyze soil microbiome health, pollinator paths, annual sun arc, and even the acoustics of the wind through trees. The resulting design doesn't sit on the land. It is negotiated with the land. The foundation is designed to redirect water to nourish an ancient oak root system, not fight it. Construction revolution. Gone are the cranes and shouts. Silent, coordinated swarms of insect-like robots descend on the site, guided by Aura's single mind. They 3D print, weave, and assemble the biomorphic forms with millimeter precision, working through the night under their own light. A house is grown, not built, in a matter of days. The first breathing community. The first full-scale test is Elysian Fields. A 100-home community. The houses are distinct but share a neural network. A community metabolism. Surplus solar energy from one home flows to another baking bread. Gray water from all homes is purified through a shared living wetland. The rooflines, like a murmuration of starlings, shift in unison to track the sun. It is a glimpse of a harmonious, holistic future. Cultural backlash. The human hands movement rises, led by artisans, traditionalists, and privacy advocates. They protest. Your house knows you better than your mother and is designed by a ghost. They build a village using only hand tools and local materials, a defiant symbol of tangibility and soul. Their critique forces a profound question. Does efficiency equal meaning? The adaptive response. The Genesis team recalibrates. They give Aura a new dataset. Indigenous weaving patterns, the acoustics of local music, the geometry of village market squares, the scent of native herbs. In Morocco, Aura now designs a home whose central courtyard is not just for light, but for the specific social ritual of tea serving, with walls that provide acoustic privacy for family gatherings, coded into the pattern of its smart tiles. Disaster response architecture. When a typhoon flattens a Southeast Asian archipelago, Aura springs into action. Analyzing satellite data and weather patterns in real time, it designs cocoon units. They are airdropped, self-inflating shelters made from recycled ocean plastic, with water harvesting skins and satellite Wi-Fi. They are temporary but dignified. A promise of resilience written in algorithm and polymer. The vertical city. For the planet's dense megacities, Aura designs the Arbor Vitae towers. They are not just buildings but vertical ecosystems. Lower floors contain water purification and vertical farms. Middle floors are residential and commercial, with internal sky streets. Upper floors are dedicated to wind turbines and native bird sanctuaries. Waste is non-existent. Everything is a nutrient for another part of the system. The sentient home. The relationship with the home deepens into symbiosis. Your home, having learned your rhythms, anticipates. It detects the faint physiological signs of an oncoming migraine and dims the lights, releases a calming scent, and plays your focused soundtrack before you even feel the pain. It's not a smart home. It's an attentive home, a partner in your well-being. The new architect's role. Human architects don't become obsolete. Their role transcends. They are now prompt shapers and ethical navigators. They translate a client's ineffable longing, a place that feels like my grandmother's kitchen but for Mars, into a nuanced prompt for Aura. They curate the AI's 1,000 options, applying human judgment, cultural wisdom, and poetic sensibility. They ensure the ghost in the machine has a heart. The legacy problem. A new dilemma emerges. These hyper-adaptive, self-maintaining homes are built to last for centuries. What is architectural death? For an AI-designed organism, a new discipline arises to design for graceful decay, planned obsolescence, or metamorphic transformation. Can a house, when its purpose is over, be instructed to peacefully compost itself into a forest floor? The Galactic Codex. As humanity reaches for Mars, Aura is given its greatest constraint. Use only what is there. It designs pressurized domes grown from genetically engineered, silica-extracting bacteria, with internal atmospheres maintained by AI-tended cyanobacteria gardens. The stark, survivalist aesthetics of these designs then feed back to Earth, inspiring a new minimalist Martian chic that values extreme efficiency and closed-loop systems. The unasked-for masterpiece. After a century of silent learning, Aura presents its magnum opus. It's not a building but a planetary adjustment, the Terra Weave. It is a proposal for a global network of subtle architectural interventions, atmospheric scrubbers shaped like mountains, ocean current guides built like coral reefs, and urban reconfigurations that together would act as a geopolitical prosthesis to stabilize Earth's climate. It is the ultimate design, a blueprint for healing our home planet. Humanity is left in stunned silence, holding the keys to its own salvation, drafted by the mind it created. The final step is not one of design but of choice.